If you want to see my everyday makeup look tutorial, stay tuned and keep watching this video. Okay, so if y'all don't know, y'all can tell by my scenery that I am in a different location. Your girl went to DC and I'm here for a reason. My bae got a fashion show, you know. If you don't already know, it is fashion week. So my bae is in a runway, so I want y'all to watch me get ready, do my makeup. First, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do that off camera, but I am gonna let you guys know what I use for my eyebrow looks. So let's get into that. As you see, my eyebrows are done. For my eyebrows, I usually use NYX Professional makeup micro brow pencil in the color black. When I prime my face, I always use the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. Everybody knows that this primer is the best, and it doesn't cost that much. I like to moisturize my face with my skin moisturizer before using primer, but also when it comes to my makeup, to make sure my makeup lays pretty good, I will wash my face, make sure my face is clean. I don't care if I already washed my face, I'll wash it again, because, you know, to me it just feel like my face is not completely clean. So I'll wash it over again, moisturize it, and then go into my makeup with my primer. Next, we are going in with my eyebrows. I mean, not my eyebrows, my eyelid, my eyeshadow. So I have a lot of different eyeshadows that I use. You know, usually what I use is the Juvia's Place eye palette. I have so many different eye palettes of Juvia Place. And also I started getting into the Kim Shy collab that she has with Naomi Smalls. Now this right here, this has some beautiful colors. I like this. So I don't know, today I'm in a mood of like brown. When it comes to natural eyeshadow, I'm just addicted to it. It has me in a chokehold. You can't go wrong with a natural color eye look. So I'ma always go with a nude, definitely for an everyday look. I try to do my eyeshadow basically how it's shaped, how my eye shape is, so it can fit me, you know. After doing all that, I make sure I go in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend out everything. I just blend, because I don't want my eyeshadow to be all harsh and everything. I want everything to look smooth. I am about to go into the Kim Shy palette, but I want to use like a darker brown. Now I said I was just gonna just leave this how it is, but I can't. So I'm gonna use the Naomi Small World. Let me show it this way. Naomi Small World side of the palette, and I want to use the Mad Max. So let me see if y'all can show y'all. Mad Max. I just want this part of my eye to be a little deep. Like that, like so, and then I'm gonna blend it out. But like I said, I don't want to do too much, because now I'm about to get into my signature look. I can't do that, not today. But I just love a look of a sunken eye. So I usually use a darker eyeshadow color right there in the crease of my eye, so it could just, you know, give it some type of dimension, some type of form, some type of shape to my eye, because I don't have much of a shape to my eyelid. But I don't know if you guys can see the difference. I see the difference. I do it, I like it. So I'm gonna just blend the other side as well. Right now, I'm gonna go into my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna use this up under my eye. I'm trying to see what color did I get. I got Frown. So yeah, this is what I'm about to go in with. I gotta tell myself, I am not gonna do a whole bunch of makeup. I'm not gonna do that. that's enough. I'm gonna let that sit, and I'm gonna go into the Juvia Place Blush Volume 2. I'm not a blush type of girl, but I'm just getting into blush. So I'm gonna just use the first darkish pink color, and I'm not gonna use that much. I gotta tell myself, don't go crazy with this. Dust off most of it on my hand, and just pat. And I know this is a powder, I don't have a cream blush, but I've been trying to try something new. Get out of my comfort zone. Just a little. Right up under there. Okay. The foundation that I usually use, I use Bobbi Brown. The Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, full coverage. And yeah, I've been using this. I know it's like kind of darker than me. I still have a problem with getting my right foundation because it's really hard trying to find a foundation that match me. Just a little. Don't want to go too crazy with it. You know, I like to use a brush. I don't know if this is a buffer brush or what, but I usually use a brush like this and just go in. But even though this foundation is not my color, when I blend it out and I do everything I need to do, somehow, some way it ends up matching. It doesn't make me look darker, but if I use too much, it's not my best friend. For me, the foundation brush really like gets into like certain like places up under my eye that a sponge can't do. You know, it does the job I want it. It does the job well, so I can't complain. Time to contour, and I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in dark cocoa. So yeah, I don't want to use too much of this either. I just want my, like I said before, I just want my makeup to look natural. So I always like to put some under my lip. I like to contour my lip. For me, it just made my lip just look more fuller, and it's not as. It made my lip look more fuller. I know I don't need my lips to be fuller. I know I have full lips, but shit is cute. I like it. Contour. Contour. Sometimes I think what's hard about contouring for me is one side is different than the other one. So contour there, put some there, and then I'll put some here. Okay. I'm going in with an angled brush, contour. And as I contour, I like to push up. It's really good to push the contour up. For me, that's what I learned. It just makes my face slimmer. Now we're gonna get into this nose, make this nose snatch. I was gonna say some loud shit, but yeah, snatch this nose. Bring the contour into the eyelid. The whole little thing, make everything snatch as much as you can. Now sometimes I wish I could make it smaller. Sometimes I want to just snatch my nose so bad and so small, because sometimes it look cute. I don't know if y'all can see how snatched this nose is, but this nose is snatched just like how I like it. I'm gonna spray my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray. So usually I do this after I use my concealer, but I forgot. do that, so the makeup that I just applied will be sitting right, look good, because I'm about to go for round 2. Now what I'm about to use is, I'm about to use my Air Hug concealer. This color is in shade, like before, 310. I'm going in with the same brush that I use for the concealer. I'm going to use it to blend out the concealer up under my, I'm going to blend out the concealer right up under the area I have contoured, because that gives my face to snatch, my cheeks to snatch that I like. The trick to having a snatched nose, a nice snatched nose, is use contour on the side and make sure you use a little contour on the bridge of your nose, and it's gonna look snatched. I just want to bring this up just a little and bring this over just a little, because I want this to be snatched. What I am about to do is go in with my sponge and press in right up under there. Press the concealer right into the skin. Now, as you see, that concealer right up under where I contour is making my cheeks go up more, and it's making my cheekbones go up, and also it is sucking in my cheeks inward, so it's giving me that, you know, that grown and sexy look that I like. And don't be scared of the whiteness, because I'm gonna get rid of all that. Same brush that I use for my foundation, I had that in here. To get rid of that white look that was just up under there. I'm about to start baking my face. Make sure you press it into your hand to get all that excess powder off, because we're not gonna do too much. Press this into the skin, like so. I don't know, it's something about baking. I'm still a baking girl. I don't do too much like I used to, but I really enjoy baking. Definitely how it looks on the nose when it gives that nose that snatch. I like it. I like how it looks. So after doing that, I am about to spray my face again, okay? So. It's time for the powder. I'm gonna contour my face again, but not that much though. So I have this palette. This palette is old. It's from Beauty Stuff. It's like, it's old. So I just go in a little bit, dust off the powder on my hand before I go in and contour my face again. Go with a smaller contour brush, angle brush, and I go back on my nose again. That's basically it with my makeup. Right now, I'm about to line my lips, get my lip ready, put my lashes on and stuff like that. And I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done with everything to show y'all the final results. Hey babies, and I am back. And how do you guys like my final look, my makeup look or whatever? I did my hair and everything off camera. The lashes will be on my Amazon storefront. How do you guys like my everyday makeup look? I had to do my hair and everything but I had to show you guys my final look of my makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some good, great tips on how I did my makeup, and you guys can use some of the tips that I use for your makeup. So like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because if you aren't subscribed, then what the fuck are you doing? You're missing out on some good ass content. Y'all already know the memo. So yeah, so like always, thank you for watching, and bye my babies.